Hi everyone, so today I'm here to talk about the W7 In the Buff Natural Nudes Eye Color Palette. So this is basically a big tin of eyeshadow and it comes in 12 different shades. There is Buff, Camel, Sand, Dust, Chocolate, Topaz, Earth, Storm, Silk, Wave, Thunder, and Onyx. The ingredients inside this, to make up the eyeshadow include talc, mica, magnesium stearate, dimethicone, ethyl hexyl palmitate, polybutane synthetic wax, paraffin liquidum, methylparaben, propylparaben, tin oxide, and then it says a bunch of other things that may contain. So that's mica, titanium dioxide, iron oxide black, iron oxide red, iron oxide yellow, ferrocyanide, carmine, nano. So these are the ingredients that make up the 12 eyeshadows that you see down here. The total net weight of this product is 15.6 grams, so it's pretty lightweight. So inside here, if I just open up this real quick, and it's kind of hard to open up on camera, but I can hopefully do it. So inside there's going to be a plastic covering to protect the eyeshadows in this case that I'm just going to remove, and then it shows my eyeshadows. So the third one in, as you can see from the left, is the one that I use the most. And then this product also comes with a double-sided brush. So as you can see, one side of the brush I use the most, and then the other side I hardly use at all. And this is because if I, take this side of the brush and then just dab in all the different colors here, then I'm never going to get eyeshadow that's just one color ever again, because the eyeshadow will just stay on the brush. So let's say if I just want to use, say, this one tomorrow, and I've already used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've already used the other 11, and they're all on this one brush right here. Then I'm never going to get the true shade of this one right here. So I, typical makeup routine, I choose the eyeshadow that matches most with my skin tone. In the past, I have used eyeshadow that is black, and I realized that made me just look way too harsh when meeting people. So basically what I do for my makeup routine is I use this color right here, and I will probably have to look in the back of this thing again to be able to tell you exactly which one that is. So I'm just going to close this up, and then I'm going to go to the back. So that is probably Wave. Wave is the one that I use the most. And what I would do is I would apply the eyeshadow, and then I would apply some mascara, some black mascara, and then I would also do some black eyeliner. And that would be for my eyes. I skipped and stopped doing the black eyeshadow because it was just too much, and it just made my face, my eyes looked just way too harsh. And I want to look as natural as possible. So This is something that I got online, and it was pretty reasonably priced, and I purposely got something that offered multiple shades as opposed to getting one shade of eyeshadow in which I wasn't sure whether I would like the eyeshadow or not. I figured in getting a tin of 12 eyeshadows, I can pick the one I like the most and just use that one. So as you can see, this is a pretty good product for me. It's something that I would recommend to others. There probably are different color palettes out there, that have different colors. So, like, I didn't see, there might be like a deep red if you look online, and I think this is the brand W7. So maybe if you look up W7 online, there may be similar versions of this with a very deep red eyeshadow, or maybe a blue eyeshadow. People who go to parties a lot, I've seen it. Blue eyeshadow, light blue eyeshadow really stands out to me. So that's something that can be found online. So anyways, this is my eyeshadow, and I really like it. I would just really highly recommend to others. And when in doubt, I would say go on YouTube and try to see if there are vloggers out there who are also using this product or ones made by this company, and come to a decision in what you think would be best for you. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you.